We can handle all online courses, business and management, business and finance, business and accounting, human resource management.
YouTube channel My IT Lab Guides. In today's session, we are tackling Chapter 2 of recently launched Excel 2022 course, focusing on Cumulative Garten furniture instructions. I will guide you through this assignment step by step, making it easy for you to follow, and you can done your assignment by watching this video. You can contact me for your assignments, exams, or complete course. Don't hesitate to connect for support in various courses. Let's start this assignment and solve step by step. Title of assignment is XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Garten Furniture Instructions. You can see project description here. You can get idea about your assignment. Moving to the next step, that is step number 1. Step number 1 is about Start Excel. Download and open the file name XP22 Excel Chapter 2 Cumulative Furniture Cells. Gradle has automatically added your last name to the beginning of the file name. In this step, you have just download and open the file. You can download this file from your My IT Lab dashboard. I have already downloaded and opened this file. So move to the next step, that is step number 2. Step number 2 is about insert a function in cell C3 to display the current date and ensure that the format is set as a long date. In this step, we have to enter a formula in cell C3 that display our current date, and after entering the function that display our current date, we have to ensure that our date format is long date. Go to the Excel worksheet, and in cell C3 we have to insert function that display our current date. So we will write function today. Press enter. It will display our current date. Now we have to ensure that our date format is long date. In home tab, go to the number group. Click here and ensure that our date format is long date. Step number 1 is completed. Now move to the next step, that is step number 3. Step number 3 is about set column C width to auto fit. We have to change the width of column C and fit it to auto fit. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Select column C. We will go in the home tab in cells group. Go to the format and click on the auto fit column width. It will set the width of column C. Now move to the next step, that is step number 4. Step number 4 is about insert a function in cell D11 to display the item name based on the provided inventory lookup information in the range B24 to D29. Be sure to use the appropriate absolute cell referencing, and the function returns an exact match. Copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete column D. We have to enter a function in cell D11 that display our item name based on the provided inventory lookup in the range B24 to D29. We have to use appropriate cell referencing and return an exact match. Then we will copy this function from D11 to D19 to complete this column, that is column D. Go to the Excel worksheet in D11. In cell D11, we will enter a function that display item name provided inventory lookup information. So we will insert a VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function and use our SKU that is stored in cell 11. C11. Then our given range is B24 to D29. Select this range. B24 to D29. we have to select item name. So we will write to, and for exact match display, here we write false. Now press enter. By using this formula, we calculate our item name. It gives our item name. Now we have to copy the function from cell D11 down through D19 to complete column D. We have copied this function through D19 so that column D is complete now. These are our items name. Go to the next step, that is step number 5. Step number 5 is about insert a function in cell F11 to display the item price based on the provided inventory lookup information. Be sure to use appropriate absolute cell referencing and the function returns an exact match. Copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. In this step, we have to insert a function in cell F11 that display our item price that is based on the provided inventory lookup information. So go to the next step. In this step, we have also add a function that will calculate our price. We will in F11 we will insert VLOOKUP function. VLOOKUP function, and then again we will select our C11 and the range that is given. Display price base our range from B24 to D29. D24 to D29. Now we have to find price, so we will select 3 and then write it false. Press enter, it will calculate our price. We can calculate our item price by using this formula. Now copy the function from cell F11 down through F19 to complete column F. We have to copy this formula so that column F is complete. Use fill handle and copy this formula through the F19 and complete this column, that is column F. Move to the next step, that is step number 6. Step number 6 is about apply currency format to column F. In this step, we have to change formatting of column F in currency. Go to the Excel worksheet again. Select these values that is in column F. We will go in the number group and select currency. It will change the formatting of these values in currency format. Go to the next step, that is step number 7. Step number 7 is about insert an if function in cell G11 to calculate the total due. If the customer has chosen delivery, column E is equal to yes, there is an additional delivery charges located in cell L11. If an item is not delivered, the total due is price. Be sure to use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference. Copy the function from cell G11 down through G19 to complete column G. Basically, in this step, firstly we have to enter a formula in if function. By using if function, and we will set that if column E is equal to yes, then it will here additional charges that is located in cell 11. So go to the Excel worksheet and write the formula in cell G11. In cell G11 we will use if function. If our column E is equal to yes, E is equal to yes, then additional charges will be that is located in L, that is located in L11. If item is not delivered, the total due is price. Our price is stored in F column. Then here we will add column F and then select column F. Press enter. By using this formula, we will calculate our total due. Our total due is 1474 for this data. Copy the function from cell G11 down through G19 to complete column G. We will copy this function from G11 to G19. Use autofill to copy this formula through G19. Now column G is completed. Move to the next step, that is step number 8. Step number 8 is apply currency format to column G. Here we have to change the format of column G and currency format. Select the values that is in column G and in home tab go to the number group and select currency format. Now here values are converted into currency format. Move to the next step, that is step number 9. Step number 9 is about insert the function in cell I11 to calculate the first customer's monthly payment using appropriate relative and absolute cell references. Place a minus sign to the left of the present value argument so that the function returns a positive result. Copy the formula down the column. In this step, we have to insert a function in cell I11 that will calculate our first customer's monthly payment. We will use appropriate relative and absolute cell reference and place minus sign to the left of the present value so that our function returns a positive value. So go to the Excel worksheet and in cell I11 we will insert a function for calculating our customer's monthly payment. We will use the function of PMT and select our values. Our interest rate that is located in our L12. We'll use interest rate. It is divided by months per year. We will divide interest rate by months per year. That is stored in L13. L13. Then we will multiply our years with our months per year. That is stored in L13. Now write our total due. That is stored in G11. We will write minus sign this value so that our function return positive value. Press enter. Now it's calculate our monthly payment. We can calculate our monthly payment by using this formula. Copy the formula down the column. Now we have to copy this formula. Use autofill to copy this formula down so column I is completed now. Move to the next step, that is step number 10. Step number 10 is about use quick analysis to insert a function in cell I20 that calculates the total of all monthly payments in column I. Now we have to add all values of that is in column I in cell I20. By using quick analysis, we have to insert function. Go to the Excel worksheet. In I20, we have to total these values that are in column I. We will use quick analysis. Select these values. We will click here, quick analysis. Go into the total and select sum. It will calculate our total values of I that stored in our column I. In I20 here, it represents total of I. Now move to the next step, that is step number 11. Step number 11 is about apply currency format to column I. Go to the Excel worksheet, select the column I. In the Home tab, go to the number groups and select currency format. So it's our currency format values. Total steps in this assignment is 21. I have done 11 steps by completing each and every detail given in the instruction of these steps. For remaining steps of this assignment are help in other assignments, exams, quizzes, our entire courses covering Excel, Word, PowerPoint, Assess, Finance Management, Information Technology, and many more courses. Feel free to get in touch. Contact me through provided email or WhatsApp given in description and display on screen and make deal with me. I assure you for achieving an A grade in all your courses. Thanks for watching my videos. Please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the videos. Thank you.